So first, we need to identify the solution set, the values of x, then after that, i-graph natin. So the given is negative 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 21. Step 1, how to identify the solution set? Eliminate first the value of b. Based on the given, what is the value of b? Okay, 1. How to eliminate 1? By getting the additive inverse. Now, what is the additive inverse of 1? Okay, very good. Or just apply subtraction property of. Kapag nag-subtract ka ng 1 dito sa left, ganun din po sa right side. Then, kakancel na natin yan. Anong matitira sa left? Negative 2x. Tapos ito, isi-simplify natin. 21 minus 1. Ito na po siya. Then after that, do you think this is already the answer? No. Bakit po? Kasi meron pang number man nakatabi si x. At anong number yun? Negative 2. Now, how to eliminate negative 2? Divide both side by negative 2. O, take note. Step number 3. Kapag daw dinivide or minultiply natin yung given na linear inequality sa negative, yung inequality symbol, i-reverse. So, divide muna natin. Divide both side by negative 2. Etong greater than or equal to, i-reverse mo yan. At ano ang reverse niya? Magiging less than or equal to na. Then cancel po ito. Anong natira sa left? X. And then 20 divided by negative 2. Okay, very good. That is the value of x. So the solution set for the given inequality is x is less than or equal to negative 10. So nakuha na natin. Our last step is to graph. How to graph? First, you need to draw a number line. Okay, then after that, where is negative 10? Between negative 11 and negative 9. Ito po yun. Identify natin. Ano yung dot natin? Open or close? Close. Bakit po close? Because the inequality symbol is less than or equal to. Lalagyan mo na siya ng close. Then, saan paturo ang inequality symbol? Okay, ito yung graph niya. That is the graph of the given linear inequality in one variable. Tingin anak, si negative 10 po ba included sa solution set? The answer is yes because the dot is shaded or close. Okay, ano-ano yung mga solution set niya? Ano yung mga possible value ni x? Negative 10, negative 11, negative 12, and so on. Lahat ng number dyan, solution set. Kaya ano po sabi kanina? Ang solution natin dyan ay pwedeng infinite many solution. Or pwede rin pong no solution.